we're discussing the repeat purchase intention into market analysis towards customers of Jollibee. Before we start, let me introduce myself. My name is Charisse Vidal Makutay, your podcaster.
I'm Angelica Ramos, podcaster.
And I'm Lorraine Jopla, your podcaster. How are you today, guys?
I'm fine. You're fine.
So, we're super excited to be here today. Thanks for joining in. Jollibee's renovation attracted a lot of customers.
Yes, improvement also due to their promotion, including that in the market analysis one because of the significant improvement in achieved there. A lot of people visit Jollibee for the Jollibee chicken.
Yeah, not only for the chicken, but also for the quality of the food and the services of customers. Attracting customers with dedicated service and high-quality food along with satisfying them and rendering them loyal and critical for the success of the business. This is because a loyal customers of a particular brand is nag-repeat purchase intention siya dun sa business na yun. For example, ako lagi akong pumupunta sa Jollibee kasama yung mga kaibigan ko dahil sa mix and match nila.
Many customers come back to Jollibee because it's delicious and the quality is good. I also come back to Jollibee because it's delicious and affordable, like you said siya. That is affordable and convenient to customer of Jollibee.
Yes, me too. I also come back to Jollibee. It's also good. And because we have promotions for mix and match, many people buy it because it's delicious and affordable. Like because it's cheap and they can afford it. But it's not just mix and match, but market analysis comes into play. They're also the size of their chicken, foods that are improved with them, as well as the toys for babies that depending on social media, right? Yes, they also promoted P-Pop Bini. There are many people who bought at Jollibee for the Bini card. They would buy, and that was also the strategy in the market and the analysis to grow a business.
Yes, of course. Let's proceed to another part of the topic.
Stacy, Remy, and Kelly will proceed to the other topic.
So thank you again, podcaster. Podcast will discuss the part of the topic. Before we proceed to the introduce myself, I am Kelly Sharpano, podcaster.
Hi, I am Raven Safety Mariboa, podcaster.
And I'm Remy Anumin, podcaster. Repeat purchase intention to the market analysis towards customers of quality. So this is part of our repeat purchase intention in Jollibee. It's the best way to know the satisfaction of customers in Jollibee. To know that what they can improve at their Jollibee and what is their weekly food at Jollibee. And why do they buy from Jollibee?
Because of the excellent quality of its food and services, Jollibee's manager survey reveals how satisfied its customers are. Understand that they primarily purchase from Jollibee's menu. According to Jump N 2021, providing customers with services that lead to purchase intention has been regarded as a key factor and source of competitive advantage for various service industries. Jollibee's products are decently priced to satisfy the overall demand consumer from different classes. According to this, it is said that there are repeat customers when the services of the restaurant are good and if their price menu is also affordable.
Yes, yes, absolutely. There is also part of satisfaction in what they do. Perceived image, satisfaction, plus an attitude seem to be part of market analysis. Because this is where customer satisfaction comes in. A restaurant will know what they need to do for its business.
Also, a Jollibee works to improve its menu and overall dining experience. These efforts, along with smart pricing, encourage customers to came back again and again. This highlights how crucial it is for fast food chains.
I would also like to add that they also prioritize value and satisfaction with Jollibee to build a strong loyal customers base who buy from Jollibee every day, right?
Definitely.
Under Imus Jollibee's, customer will only receive a survey questionnaire to collect the satisfaction of customer to Jollibee.
And simple lang to satin will be used to avoid biases.
For staff at Jollibee, maintain cleanliness and hygiene. A clean and well-maintained restaurant environment is essential for customer satisfaction. Ensure all areas, including tables, restroom, and kitchen, are kept spotless.
About loyalty of customers at Jollibee, make a partner local business. Collaborate with business entities to offer joint promotion or discount because this can expand Jollibee reach and attract new customers.
And also, offer limited time promotions, introduce special deals or limited edition menu items to create a sense of urgency and encourage customers to try new offerings.
Collect and analyze customers' feedback. Conduct regular surveys to gather feedback on customer satisfaction, preference, and areas for improvement.
And monitor social media platforms for mention of Jollibee reviews. This can provide insight into customer sentiment and identify opportunities for engagement.
For establishing the brand for a visual, a montage of iconic Jollibee imagery, the mascot, red and yellow color scheme, popular menu items, Chicken Joy, Jollibee Spaghetti, bustling restaurants, and for audio, upbeat, playful music.
For customer experience, visual scenes of families and friends enjoying meals together. Happy customer interacting with staff, focus on the atmosphere and overall experience for audio, warm, inviting music.
Talking about their lifestyle, so let's proceed to another part of the topic. Jack, Ryan, and Andre will discuss the origin of the page.
Media and audience engagement refers to using platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter to connect with your audience, share content, and build relationships.
Your audience through comments, replies, polls, and contests, fostering a sense of community and encouraging participation.
Podcaster are having Q&A question to answer the following.
Nabanggit ni na Stacy, Kelly, at Remy about sa renovation and improvement ng Jollibee. So, what do you think is the most significant change that has attracted more customers? For example, improved chicken quality, new menu items, or overall dining experience?
The ability to expand and adapt and continue to different international markets while staying true to its Filipino roots. Na kahit pa meron tayong mga international markets, nagsistay pa din talaga yung Jollibee sa Filipino style. Kanina, nag-usap sila about Jollibee's mix and match deals. How do you think these deals impact customer satisfaction and repeat purchase? This focuses on the specific example of the mix and match deals.
And Jollibee deals, like combo meals or special discount, provide customers with a sense of getting more in their money. This is particularly appealing. Jollibee deals, like a combo meals or special discounts, provide customers with a sense of getting more or for their money. This is particularly appealing in the fast food industry, where price sensitivity can be high. The podcaster mentioned a Jollibee use of promotions like a vinegar. And again, do you think these promotional strategies are successful in attracting customers and building a brand loyalty? This focuses on the specific example of a vinegar promotions.
Yung sa Jollibee's promotional deals are designed to cater to different customer segments, from budget-conscious customer to seeking occasion indulgence, combo meals, discounts, and seasonal promotions provide value for money.
Let's welcome Remy and Ken to continue our podcast.
Hello, Remy. Hello.
Podcasters are having polls to answer the following to know the market analysis in Jollibee.
Which of these factors do you think is the most important for Jollibee to focus on to increase customer satisfaction and repeat purchases?
The affordable price. And how often do you visit at Jollibee, Angge?
Twice a week because of their product.
Bihira lang pala sa Jollibee.
Remy, have you ever purchased a vehicle from Jollibee?
For me, yes. Kasi, na-influensyahan ako ng mga friends ko na bumili ng vehicle kasi sikat sila.
Okay.
Sikat pala sila.
So, thank you so much, Angge Podcaster. So, we proceed to advocacy points for our topic. So, before we start, let me introduce myself. I am Heaven Lance Malban.
Ken Mark James.
And Renan Elway, podcaster.
So let's have a recap. Jollibee's recent innovation and improvements attracted customers.
I agree with that. Improvement the quality of their food, particularly the chicken, has been a major factor in attracting and retaining customers.
The affordable pricing, especially for their mix and match deals, has made the Jollibee a popular choice for many.
Yeah, Jollibee focuses on a quality food, excellent service, and affordable pricing has contributed to customer satisfaction and loyalty. So, what's your thought, Ken?
Success is attributed to their ability to balance price, affordability, and customer experience. So what is yours?
Oh, I think consistently delivering these factors, they cultivated loyal customers.
So thank you for your time, everyone. Share your own on our social media platforms.
Please subscribe to the podcast for more insightful discussions on business strategy and marketing. And this is Heaven Lance Malban.
And I thank you.
And this is Renan Wahe. And this is Ken, the podcaster. And we are the podcasters.